Hey guys, welcome back to another video of maths, and in this video you will be learning data handling. So you know what is data handling? You have read many times in maths. In maths you have heard the word data handling. So what is data? So the data is the information in the form of numerical figures or facts becomes several kinds of data in newspapers, magazines, televisions and other several sources. So in newspaper you can see the examples of data, such as in newspaper you can see the weather report, that in today's newspaper that news is come today's temperature has broken the record of earliest years. So you can see the example of data in newspapers. Magazines, you have heard the data in the you have the means in magazine the data is used because in magazines you have many times heard that this cricketer has broken the record of that cricketer in the earliest year, because in the earliest year समझो कि the for this is the one cricketer Rohit Sharma. He has made 183 runs in the 2019 year, and this is Rohit Sharma, and Virat Kohli has made 283 runs in 2020 year. So Virat Kohli has broken the record of Rohit Sharma. So how would you find that Virat Kohli has broken the record of Rohit Sharma? By the data. You have the data of previous year, which is counted by someone and listed and in a book or uh, whatever technological sources. In any device or in book it can be stored that Rohit Sharma has Rohit Sharma has made 283 runs in 2019, and Virat Kohli has broken the record of Rohit Sharma. That is by data. That if you can calculate this by data, when you have data you can only recognize that the record is broken by the data. Now we will come to statistics. You have uh, heard the word statistics when you have reading the data handling chapter. So statistics is the branch of mathematics that deals with the collection, presentation and analysis of data is called statistics. So the branch of mathematics that deal with the collection is that which is the branch of that is the group of something that the collection is the records of something, records of a particular thing. Means we have maken the book of runs of all the years, so that will be the collection of books. So the collection of books of the data of previous years and these times is called statistics. So the in offices that are also using the presentation, means in shops you can see we have the data of something that the previous month this much of product has been sold, and in this month this much of product has been sold. So that is the uh, presentation of data, which is called as statistics, and analysis of data is called statistics. I hope you have understand this video. If you have any queries, so you can write it in comment section. Thanks for watching.